Yes, some good manners and habits. Now let us read about some good manners and habits that you should follow. First one, get up early in the morning. Yes, morning you have to get up early. If you get up very late, then school timing also there you reach late, isn't it? So you have to get up early in the morning. That's a good habit of getting up early in the morning. Then brush your teeth twice a day. You should brush your teeth morning as well as night after dinner. That is a good habit, brushing twice a day, morning as well as in the night. Then take a bath daily and wear clean clothes. So morning you get up early, then you brush your teeth, then you go for bath, isn't it? You have to clean yourself. You should bath daily morning before going to school. Then after bathing you should wear clean clothes. Clean uniform you have to wear and go to school. If there is no class that day, if it is a holiday, then also you have to follow the same. You have to get up early, you have to brush your teeth, then you have to bath yourself, then you have to wear clean clothes. You should look very clean every time. Yes. Eat meals, study and play at proper time. Then after brushing the teeth, you had bath, then you wore clean clothes, then afterwards you should have a breakfast, your breakfast. So eat breakfast on time, lunch also on time. Evening if you are having snacks, you can. The night also you should have food on time. So taking food or having food on time is also a good habit. So you should have your food on time. Then eat meal, study also. Yes. So if you have your daily lessons to learn, you have your homework to do. Daily homework you will have, isn't it? So after coming from the school in the evening time, then you should fresh up by yourself. Again you have to take a bath. Then you have to eat something. If you are hungry, you should eat something, isn't it? Yes. Then your evening time your mother may prepare delicious food for you because you are coming from school, right? Yes. Then you should have that food. Then you should be so happy if you are having some delicious tasty food prepared by your mother, isn't it? Yes, good. So after having the snacks or food, you should sit for your homework. Before going to play, you should do the homework first. Then you can play nicely. That's like a good child, isn't it? Yes. And play at proper time. So you have to eat on proper time. You have to study on proper time, and also at the same time you should play with your friends. Yes. Then keep your school and house clean. At home you clean by yourself, or you bath and you clean, that is good. But what about the house or the room where you stay? It's your duty to keep your surroundings clean. You can help your mother by doing small help to her while cleaning. At least you can keep your toys in the correct places, right places after playing. Don't spread your toys here and there on the floor or on the bed or on sofa here and there. You should not keep all these things. We should keep these items at the right places, from where you took the same place you have to go and keep it. Suppose you have a cupboard to keep your books or shelf to keep your book or bag. You should keep the books there itself, isn't it? These are all good habits, or these are all some help that you can give to your mother when she is cleaning the house. You can take care of your things, isn't it? Yes, you have to keep all the things in the right place. After studying, after doing homework, you keep your books, your pencil, everything in the bag. And bag where you should keep in the shelf, or where your mother asks you to keep, there you have to keep. You should not throw your things here and there. Then if there is any waste paper lying down here, down on the floor or somewhere, if you have seen that, then take that paper, waste paper or any waste material, if it is there down, take it and put it in the dustbin. That's like a good child. Even if you are in the house or you are in the classroom, there also you should follow the same thing. Make a queue while walking in school and at the bus stop. When you are going to school, if you are going to school by bus, you are waiting for your school bus at the bus stop. Many children are there. You should maintain the queue. When school bus comes, you should not push and pull your friends while getting into the bus. Form a line, form a queue. Slowly you have to get into the bus. At the same time, after reaching school, slowly you have to get down from the bus. In school also, you will be having morning prayer and assembly. Maybe your principal asks you to gather in the hall or in the ground for morning prayer. Then there also your teacher asks to form the line. So you have to form the line. Children all form a line, isn't it? Then slowly in the line, you have to, in the queue, you have to go to the hall or the ground where the prayer is going on, isn't it? So when teacher asks us to form a line, form the queue, you should not rush and you should not make noise or push and pull your friends. Slowly you have to form the line. Behave like a good child, isn't it? Yes. Speak softly to everyone. Yes. When you speak something, when you tell something, you talk very politely. Means very softly you should tell, you should ask, or you should speak. Even if it is to your friends also, to your teachers also, to the elder members also, your parents, your sisters, brothers, whoever you talk, you should talk very softly. Do not talk in a rash way. Don't talk to others in a rude way or in a rash way. Talk very softly and politely. Okay, children? So these are some good manners that you should follow. Then you can watch television, but do not watch too much television. In TV, you like to watch cartoons, isn't it? Yes. So you can watch, but too much of time you should not spend in front of television. And if you want to watch also, don't go and sit very near to the television. You should sit far and watch. Otherwise your eyes get strained or the eyes get problem. So you should watch the TV programs by sitting little far from the television. Then do your work yourself. Whatever work you can do by yourself. As I said, you can do your homework. You can, after doing the homework, you can keep your books, your things in the proper place. If you are taking the toys from the shelf or cupboard, from the box, and you are playing, after playing you should keep all the toys in the correct place, in the right place, from where you took, the same place you should go and keep it, isn't it? Yes. So this kind of work you can do by yourself. Do not spread waste here and there. If you are eating something, if you are eating a banana, you should peel off the banana and you should eat. That peel you have to put it in the dustbin. You should not put on the floor. In the classroom, while sharpening the pencil, that waste should go inside the dustbin. So you should go near the dustbin and you should sharpen the pencil, isn't it? You should not sit in the place where you are sitting near your desk or bench, and you should not sharpen the pencil. Then the waste all will fall down only, right? Yes. So that is not a good habit. Even if you find anything down, you can take it and put it in the dustbin. Never tease animals. If any dog barks You should not bark at you. You should not take stone and throw. You should not try to throw stones, anything to the against any animal. Do not tease them. It is not a good habit to tease animals. Then say thank you when someone gives you something. If anyone is giving you something, if someone is giving you chocolate, a gift, anything, then you should say thank you uncle, thank you auntie, thank you Diya, thank you my friend. Whoever gives you anything, your parents gives you anything, thank you mama, thank you papa, thank you daddy. You can tell like that, isn't it? Yes. So whoever is giving anything to you, you can tell thank you to them. Say sorry when you do something wrong. Yes, if you do something wrong and if you know that you have done wrong, then you should say oh sorry. If telling lies is a wrong thing, you should always tell the truth. If anyone is telling you are lying, then you should tell no, I am telling the truth. No, you are lying. Suppose you are lying, then you should tell okay, I have lied. I should tell the truth only. Oh sorry. You should tell. So never lie to anyone. You should always tell the truth. Do not do any wrong thing. If at all you have done any wrong thing, then you should tell sorry. Then say please when you ask somebody for something. If you want something from others, then you should, the way you ask, how can you please give me your pencil? Can you please give me a glass of water? Can you please give me that cover? Anything. You are asking something, so you can tell in a polite way. Can you please? Then help the old and the needy people. If old people want any help, you can do. Whatever help you can do from your side, you can do, isn't it? Yes. So help the old people, needy people, the people those who want help from you. Small help if that you can do, that you should do for them. Here you can see the image of a boy, little boy helping an old lady to cross the road. So like that's a small help. If anyone wants from you, you can do. Yes, you can see the image of a girl putting the waste in the dustbin, isn't it? Two images you can see here. Girl putting waste in the dustbin, and little boy helping an old lady to walk from one side to the other side of the road. Okay. Yes. Then respect your elders. The people, those who are elders to you, you should respect them. Always you should respect your elders. When you see the teachers, you should wish them, isn't it? And when your parents, your uncle, your aunties, everyone, you should respect them. You should talk politely to them. You should greet them. So always respect your elders. So these are the good manners and good habits that you should follow. Then only you become a good child. A good child who follows these good manners and good habits, loved by everyone. So do you want love from everyone? Do you want everyone saying good about you? Then you should follow these good manners and good habits. Isn't it? Yes. And cutting the nails or trimming nails, that is also a good habit. If your nails is growing, then you should ask your mother to cut it, isn't it? Yeah, otherwise it will hurt others and it will hurt you also. So you trim the nails, cut the nails on proper time. Otherwise dirts will come and sit in that. Then when you play and when you do something, germs will go, dirts will go inside the nails. So you should cut the nails always. You should take care of that, all things. Yes, these are a few things that you should follow if you wanted to become a good child. Life skills. Nandini bites her nails all the time. Is it a good habit? Biting nail is a good habit or not? No, biting nail is not a good habit. That's why I told you, you have to cut the nails or trim the nails on time. So biting nail is not a good habit. If your friends are biting nails, you should tell them this is not a good habit. When you go to home, you have to soon cut the nails. Yes, so you should also follow the same thing. If anyone is biting, then you should tell them. You can tell them in a polite way, isn't it? Yes, so biting nails is not a good habit. You should cut your nails or trim the nails on proper time. So this is the topic that we learned today. Lesson we learned today. It is good manners and habits, and we learned about 3 golden words, isn't it? Which are those golden words, children? Yes, thank you. THANK, thank you. YOU, thank you. Then please, PLEASC, please. Then sorry, SORRY, sorry. These 3 are the golden words. If you are a golden boy, if you are a golden girl, then you should use these golden words, isn't it? Yes, if you get something from others, if you receive a gift from others, then you should say thank you. If anyone helped you, then also you can say thank you to them. If you want anything from others, you can say please, can you give this to me, please. You can tell please to them, and you can ask. Then if you hurt anyone or if you do anything wrong, then you should say sorry to them. These are the 3 golden words that you should follow, and there are many good manners and good habits that you should follow that we already learned, isn't it? Yes, so children, always be a good child and follow all the good habits and good manners. Then only you will become a good child. Everyone should tell us about you very nice things, very good things. Everyone, your teachers, your parents, your relatives, everyone should appreciate you. So you should follow these good habits and good manners, isn't it? Yes. So which are the good habits and good manners you learned here? Yes. Get up early in the morning. Brush your teeth twice a day. Take a bath daily and wear clean clothes. Eat meals. Study and play at proper times. Keep your school and house clean. Make a queue while walking in school and at the bus stop. Speak softly to everyone. Do not watch too much television. If you want to watch, you can watch your favorite programs, but you should sit far away from television and you should watch. But don't watch too much of television. Do your work yourself. Small work that you can do, you can do by yourself. Never tease animals. You should never throw stones against them. You should not tease them. Say thank you when someone gives you something. Say thank you. Say sorry. Say sorry when you do something wrong. Say please when you ask somebody for something. You can say please if you are asking somebody for something. Help the old and the needy people. Those who want help, you help them, especially the old people. Respect your elders. Always respect your elders. So these are some good manners and good habits that we read in the lesson. So always try to follow these good manners and habits, not only at school, at home, wherever you go, wherever you are, you have to follow these good manners and good habits. Then only you will become a good child. A good child following good manners and good habits, loved by everyone. So if you are a lovable child, if you want others to tell you about many good things, then You have to follow these good manners and habits. Okay, children? Okay.